Good
Good
morning,
morning, Ma'am Trisha.
We will be reporting in philosophy and this is our topic.
First argumentum. Argumentum ad baculum or appeal to force. The ad baculum is a Latin phrase which means appeal to stick. Baculus is a rod or a walking stick. It's generally taken to involve a threat or injury or harm. Ad baculum involves behavior, not arguments. Persuasion, it's not the point but compliance. The appeal to force ad baculum is a type of informal policy that arises when the arguer, instead of showing evidence, appeals to intimidation or use force to accept his or her arguments. Let me give you three examples of policies. First example, love or else I'll hurt you. I can't just love you because you're trying to force me. Well, then I guess I'm gonna have to hurt you. Example number 2. The person points his gun to the person 2 and then asks for money or else it will shoot you directly. And because you valued your life, you hand your money to the person 1 who has the gun because you don't want to suffer the consequences. Example number 3. If you don't forward this text to the 10th-person friend, you will have to face bad luck. Argumentum ad baculum is a compulsion to do something you don't want but you have to do because you don't want to get hurt.
Argumentum ad populum or the appeal to popularity. Fallacy of claiming that a proposition must be true because many or most people believe it. In argumentation theory, and Latin for appeal to the people, is a fallacious argument which is based on claiming a truth or affirming something is good because the majority thinks so. Example, the president has a high approval rating. In fact, his ratings are higher than any president in the past 100 years. Therefore, the president is doing a great job. It is saying that if many people believe the president is doing a great job, then he is doing a great job. Now, popularity or a general understanding by a group of people or experts should not be disregarded. In fact, a prevailing belief that can be true. Example number 2. These days, every adult has a car and knows how to drive. Explanation. Everyone knows that a car is the most common and popular transportation method these days. It is an ad populum fallacy because it is not conclusive evidence and is only wildly common sense or belief. The argument should provide statistic percentage of adult drivers.
Example number 3. Okay, tulong mo kayo example dun.
Example number 3. 88% of the population believe in the existence of UFOs. So UFOs exist in the world. It is ad populum fallacy. This argument gives a percentage of the population. However, it's missing research on the existence of aliens or evidence of UFOs, such as the number of witnesses. It only argues about how many ordinary people believe that UFOs exist. If you seek to disprove something, use evidence, not popular opinion. Fallacy of claiming that a proposition must be true because many or most people believe it. The president has a high approval rating. In fact, his ratings are higher than any president in the past 100 years. Therefore, the president is doing a great job. It is saying that if many people believe that the president is doing a great job, then he is doing a great job. Now, popularity or a general understanding by a group or people of experts should not be disregarded. In fact, prevailing belief can be true.
Argumentum ad misericordiam or appeal to pity. fallacy in which someone tries to win support for an argument or idea by exploiting their opponent's feeling of pity or guilt. It occurs when someone evokes sympathy or guilt in an attempt to gain support for their claim, without providing any logical reasons to support the claims itself. The point here is that in making an argument, we are supposed to provide evidence or proof to our claim. Example: Your Honor, the accused of this robbery case must not be put in jail because he is a father of 12 children and a husband of a woman who is suffering from cancer. Besides, he is the only breadwinner in the family. Example number 2. Luminog should not be given a failing grade in SS5 because she has taken the subject thrice already. Example number 3. I know my report paper is late, ma'am, but my roommate was sick last night and I had to help her. Also, my parents will kill me if I fail this course. Argumentum and misericordiam, or argumentum and misericordiam is an argument based on a strong appeal to the emotion, also known as argumentum ad misericordiam or appeal to pity of misery. When an appeal to sympathy or pity is highly exaggerated or irrelevant to issue at hand, misericordiam is regarded as a logical fallacy. Argumentum ad hominem. Ad hominem, fallacious argumentative strategy that avoids genuine discussion of the topic by instead attacking the character, motive, etc. of the person associated with the argument. Ad hominem fallacy is to attack your opponent's personal traits or character instead of their argument. This is the 4 kinds of hominem. Abusive or name-calling. For example, whatever, you bitch, it was clearly a joke, you ignorant. An abusive attack on someone making an argument and not addressing the argument itself. Number 2, guilt by association. Example: a few weeks ago, you told me that you would not vote Tina for class president because football team pledged to vote for her. Person 2. Look, I agree the football team is full of snobs this year, but that does not necessarily mean Tina is a snob. You can just group her with them without any kind of evidence. Person 1. I guess you could be right. I'll rethink my vote. When someone connects an opponent to demonize group of people or to a bad person in order to discredit his or her argument. Number 3. Circumstantial. Appeal to person interest. This fallacy asserts that someone is arguing as they do only because they have a vested interest in the issue. Example: remember a few days ago when we were looking at Mustang at car dealership? Person 2. Oh yeah, we met the liar salesman. Person 1. The salesman may have been liar but will never know because of your use of circumstantial fallacies. The salesman told us the 2016 Mustang was the best. Remember, he gave us a bunch of facts about its reliability. Person 2. Liar. You are a liar. You are only selling this because you want us to hold the car, and then you walk off. Buy the car and then you walk off. Chokoki. Appeal to hypocrisy. To discredit the opponent's argument by attacking the opponent's own personal behavior as being inconsistent with the argument's conclusion. For example, last week I told you that you should stop drinking so much soda because it is high in calories and sugar. Person number 2. Dude, Why should I listen to you when you drink soda every day? Argumentum ad hominem, fallacious argumentative strategy that avoids genuine discussion of the topic by instead attacking the character, motive, etc. of the person associated with the argument. Yun lang, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for